Chick-fil-A here in Deer Park / LaPorte is, you can see that it's largely crowded at the moment. Everyone is out to support the marriage, stand for marriage between a man and a woman. The line absolutely is crazy. And this is the drive-through I've just showed you, and this is the line for everyone to get in right here. You see the traffic is just humongous. So this is speaking volumes. God is amazing. The people of God are standing together for the principles of the biblical standard of marriage. Way to go, Chick-fil-A. Way to go, people.